Facebook earlier today we put some pictures of this machine behind us, which is the MX-330 machine, and I mentioned the fact we're going to be doing a review on it, and we're going to do that now with Simon Higgs here. Simon, you started with Matsuura probably a matter of months ago, and you've already had success in selling a couple of these MX-330 machines, haven't you? How have you achieved that?
Well, most people are after the unmanned running that the machines are giving them, the full 5-axis capabilities, and the in-one solution really as a cell.
It's quite a small footprint machine, isn't it, to have that sort of pallet pool integrated into it as well. Has that helped?
Oh, most definitely, yes. Having a small sort of 3 metre square footprint, 10 pallets, giving you that full flexibility. It's fantastic.
When it comes to the actual the pallet cell here, or the pallet pool here, very easy to load, very accessible. That's one of the comments that some of your customers make as well. But it's not all about those high volumes, is it? Because you can actually have a program per face or per pallet, can't you? So what does that enable you to do?
Well, basically it gives you, all we're looking for is a variety of parts on there. You can have 4 parts per pallet, 4 programs per pallet, which allows us to have varied parts, leaving the tools in the machine, multiple pallets, fixtured up, ready to run, giving us, up to sort of 90% spindle utilisation.
That high? Can you achieve that? Is that?
Oh yeah, already we have a number of customers already achieving that and better. And again, it's about keeping the tools in the machine and keeping the pallets set, allowing you to run unmanned and lights out.
When you've got more pallets, everything else has got to go in hand with that. So you've got more tools on this than you would normally get on a 5-axis.
Yeah, so we go up to 90 tools with this machine, and that allows you, as I said, a normal 5-axis machine maybe only 30 tools. So we're tripling the amount of tools, giving you that unmanned running capability again.
And for our viewers as well, I'm trying to find out who should be interested in this style of machine. Without mentioning any names, what sort of environments have you put the two that you've sold thus far into? What they've been making, what they've been doing?
So both aerospace and automotive type companies, but again, it's subcontractors, is really where this machine lends itself to.
And when you look at this compared to maybe a 5-axis machine with a third party's automation solution added to it, is there any difference? Is there any advantage to having this all as one cell, in your opinion?
Well, yeah, of course. The advantage is you're buying it from one supplier, from the manufacturer, Matsuura. If there are any issues, then you're only picking the phone up to one person to get that resolved. And we're selling, these multiple, that's what Matsuura do.
Fastest selling 5-axis multi-pallet machine for Matsuura. Quite easy to understand why. Would you agree with that?
Oh yeah, most definitely. It's nothing to do with me. It's all about the machine.
At least you're honest. Thanks, Simon.
Yeah. Thanks.